Senator Tinubu don't tackle Senator Adeyemi after Adeyemi come outside and they tell us say the instability witnessed in this country is worse than the civil war. Now people, this one na senator versus senator. And now Tinubu don they ask Adeyemi whether in be PDP member. I don't know where this one even they come from. They tell us say in be sheep in wolf clothing. Omo, I be wolf in sheep clothing. Anywhere we wanna understand, I just take it like that. I bring a call on a side so I wanna go hear by our own ear how this quarrel they go as we they speak. So I bet join me, make me watch the video.
Arise to. This is the worst instability we are facing. In fact, this is worse than the civil war.
Are you in PDP?
Mr. President, the solution is very simple. Today there are a lot of misgiving, a lot of misinterpretations of what is happening. Some people believe, some people in government are supporting this move. President, all of us have been threatened. Our families, our nation, our state.
Order.
A lot have been said this morning, Mr. President, and I want to thank you for giving us time to speak expressly on this issue. Like my sister was saying, there comes a time when talk will talk itself. There comes a time when truth will become like a torchlight in the midst of silence. So you are forced to talk.
Which one be you be PDP? No, this very question I never even understand. Why they ask Adeyemi whether Adeyemi be PDP member? Hey, omo. So because he no be PDP member, he not supposed to talk truth. Una see our problem for this country. No, una they see our problem. These people, anything na politics. They play politics with people's lives. Adeyemi come outside and they tell us the truth because it's the truth. It's the truth. The level of insecurity, my people, it pass civil war. It pass am. So as he come outside now, can't talk truth. You don't they call am wolf in sheep clothing. No, una fit imagine the nonsense where they come out from this woman, man. And see we won't become first lady by fire by force. No, make una see am. See the kind thing where they talk. Now all of una serve at the pity. All of una we don't plan. So we go vote for Tinubu 2023. Now the pity. With this kind of thing one at the year, una still they find this person to become una first lady. Nobody say Remi Tinubu way. Hey, now wow, true matters they go round. They tell me say na this woman, Pastor Redeem, Adeboye, they say na she. They even put as what did they call that? Pastor. This woman, now they ordain him as pastor for Redeem Church. Mother of corruption. I no go talk as our before I go to say I don't enter another pot. Pico, make I remain inside this very one. Adeyemi no they lie. In case una 1 year and one more time. It's not lying. I know they support anybody. See, every day they repeat this thing. I don't belong to any party. I don't belong to, in fact, nothing. I just they follow who they talk truth. Serious. Instability. Insecurity. Everything. See, it's getting worse by the day. For now to see say this woman now banje. No, as soon as they hear her now. No, imagine. Person come out can't talk truth. They pay you. Wait till that way they talk, the truth is always bitter. Now be this. Now they pay now because person come outside. No be today. This woman matter, I no like her. Since I was born. No be this year matter before I go to see because of the things where they happen. Even before these things that they happen. Like people, now one person way matter, I know just they like they touch them. I know just you know that sound. Me and our spirit no even they flow. Then imagine as they come, they misbehave, they talk all this plenty thing. No, what they concern being inside one political party and the insecurity of the country. They are two different things. Whether Adeyemi be PDP member or APC member or any party wey e belong to, the fact be say there is insecurity in the land. Nigeria is bleeding. Na only people see, una no go understand that Nigeria is bleeding. So if you like, take am. If you like, no take am. This man has come out to say the truth. Whether he's part of them or whether he's not part of them, that one no concern me. I dey look the message, no be the messenger. Very, very important. So I beg, I bring her on her side so that una go know say una first lady to be. You don't start the show na recolor. So if una like, vote am. If una like, no vote am. That one concern una. So I beg, start the drop the comment for that comment section. Share this video, very, very important, and don't forget to subscribe so that you no go miss anything where I get here for you. Stay tuned for our next story.